Hello everyone. So welcome back. So we'll be continuing our last part video where I added how to open the edit profile, not profile, sorry, properties details page, and we were able to show the edit page with all the existing properties details. So now what we need to do is show to facilitate a patch API for that property details. So how we will be doing it in our property request file, which is basically a Flask resource class. It has all the details already available, like the user collection and property collection. Let's see if we can try. Okay, click on mark. So we already have the get API. This is an init. This is just to find user by user ID. Nothing much. We have the post API. So what we will be doing is let's just add okay. So now a few things we will always be having is the headers, which we always need. So this is just for static because we are not using a self as of now, but let's see. Okay, so it will be done here only. So what we have done till now is I'm taking the app Firebase app check token, which we sending all the requests. We get the user ID, basically who is updating the profile property details. So this is just to check if the user already exists. So if it does, so how we will be checking is user details. Basically we will add it here and get document from the user collection, and we need that user whose user ID matches it, this user ID, yeah, and this is, I don't think we need it, but let's just add this for now. So if user is none, and I think we can leave this part here. We are not creating one. The create part will always be this one, yeah. So this will never change, obviously, yeah. Now what we have to do is we need the property request and the form. We need the array of images. Okay, before we do this, let's just add this part. We will be getting the request and the form. Okay, now what we need to do is we should be okay. We need this anyway because we will be sending all those values again, which I don't think is required, but let's pass this. Yeah, we will be sending everything, yeah. So property ID. Okay, one more thing I need to check is if CAG prop key ID is already present or not. Okay, so to do that, we have tag, we check if the user is present. Now how to check? Okay, we remove this, we check property is already available or not. We will do past property details. So how we will do that is get document from the property collection whose property ID is same as this property ID. If past property details is none, we will do the same thing, almost same, but with a different message. I don't think. Okay, we have property not found. As property is not present, please create a property or try it. I guess that message is sufficient. Okay, so we added the property details, but if it is not done, we have the past property details page, not page, already available. Now okay, this we don't need. This we need, this we all need. Okay, so how we do this is, I will show you in this patch API. It has a default option. So if in the patch, let's suppose it's not present or something happened, we will be getting the default value from the previous details. So what we need to do is okay, so we don't need to convert the string to JSON if this is not present. Okay, response address, repeat this, and if response address is none, then address is equals to pass property get keys dot property dot address, else I just do this. Okay, now rest will be always same. What we need to do is property is the get keys dot property dot property name. Okay, the same thing we will be adding here. Property created on will never change. Property, yeah, this will get changed. Yeah, so all the timestamp is basically is taken from the server timestamp. So yeah, so that we have always the same time capture from everywhere. Yeah, okay. Name is for anchor will be on this, and all we have to do property type, number of backgrounds, where it is, yearly deposit, monthly rank, perks, agreement rules, property created on. I guess it has the same values, same key, sorry. Yeah, it will be having the same key. Okay, so now we have what we need. Doesn't look good, but yeah, let's skip this, I guess. Now we don't need to check for why patch on this one. I think we know needed this in okay. Let's have okay the issue is the address was sometimes it goes an error. Okay, yeah, we can do this rather than I think yeah, it should be better to have this way. So we get the address. Same thing is happening here, right? Yeah. In patch we are doing just this. So what we need to do is so if it is updated, then it might be an issue to convert it to a JSON format. So what we can do is we are doing the address will be same okay, request get okay dot address. Okay, so now we have that. We don't need this. Okay, I don't think we need a none check everywhere. We now create a payload. Okay, property created by. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this we can keep as it is. Rest we have. So how we will be updating it. So now we have that. So we just call update a document. Okay. Get a document. I think it should be in the DB collection. Yeah. So this module is basically like it contains all the MongoDB calls, like getting a list of documents, getting a collection, like a user collection or property collection, getting a single document, inserting a document, updating a document, basically. Yeah. So what we need to do is we just call that user collection, getting a property collection, property ID angle, and this one, yeah. Okay. So So we now added all the details. So whatever details we get, we update it. I will show how we can test this using Postman. Yeah, and I will log into MongoDB as well to show you the actual value getting updated. So if this works, then in Android we just have to call the service, nothing else. Okay. While it does, one thing we can do is, okay, we have all the details already for our properties. So one thing we can do is add a request. Let's enlarge it. Hope you can see this. Patch, the URL will be, yeah, it will be same, no change. Headers will obviously change. Skip this any value. Okay. User ID, obviously this will change. Okay, one thing also we need to add, I forgot. So whoever is the owner or whoever has added the property previously, that user only should be able to update it. Okay, forgot to add that. Now how we will be doing this? Property created by, I think I added it somewhere. Property created by, okay. So let's have this. We don't have the, okay. So before we get there, if user ID not equal to property created by, then return what should be the error? Invalid request. Okay, yeah, invalid request. What was key? Invalid user property update. Okay. And the user who created the property connected, please ask key respective property creator go. Okay. Yeah. So I guess property ID, user ID, no? Okay. So from the message list, I need the invalid. Okay. Okay, what will be the code? Obviously, to know that there was one code to know that It's showing valid request. Come on, valid request 404 409. Okay. So not found passport, kills not found. Okay. This will not be the one. 409. Propagate risk is none. Okay. I think it should be 409. Okay. Check if the same user is checking the details. Okay. So now if we go to our MongoDB collection and see any property which is available, so okay, there is one which is created by this user. What do I get all that? So I have this. Okay, let's see if we get the property kills first. Okay, sorry. And get to it should be same. Okay, 127.0. Okay, here we are calling it locally, so we can use the local server. This is for all the ones who are on the network. Yeah. So let's not change this part. Let's run this again. And type has no attribute get. Okay, not sure what happened. Public is get property created by. Okay. If user ID is none or user ID is empty, but property kills get document, public is get. It has no property created by. It has. Okay, 1 second. None type means this didn't happen, meaning there was no property details found with this. And why is that? As user is not present. Okay, 1 second. Okay. I don't need to call this. I need to this one. Okay, yeah. I got the details. What I need to do is I need to add a patch one. hackers I have added buggy. Let's just bulk kick key value. Okay, so these values I have added. Okay, so this will not work because there is no property with this one, but I will check once by calling this. If the call is ask user is not present, ask the user to create an account or try again. Okay, so you can see the patch property got called. In headers I just need to in the get property created by this user patch. Okay, as property is not present. Okay. Okay, so patch property call. Now I need the property ID. So property ID is this, property ID is this. Let's keep the name as same. I can click make. Rental owner true. Is for rental crew. Okay, one thing we can do is these values obviously we want to keep. Is for rental was the current value. Is for rental is true. Okay, so let's make cat false. Let's do this. Okay, this is something. Okay, we are not sending anything, that's why it's so null. But let's see this. Is for rental is true. Yeah, I guess it will still be true because we didn't change anything. Let's make it false. Call the API, got null, return, it should be false now. Yeah, so only this value got changed. Rest yeah, आपके account got updated, property keys are there. Okay, address became null. Why is that? Okay, we can update that from there, but let's do one thing. We add it, we fetch it again. Okay, ID property not create a user prop key. Okay. Okay, and guess. Okay. Okay. So now if we make it grow and send it, yeah. So now we got grow. One thing we need to check is why this is null. Okay. If we don't send guess, okay, one thing we can go is if request address is none as we just guess. Okay. This will be null anyway, but yeah, I guess this should work. One thing was it was getting it, and when I call this method it basically returns null, and it assigns tag value. Yeah, rather than throwing an exception, it should be throwing an exception if there is no string, but not sure why. Okay, I think it should work now. Let's make it false. Yeah, it is false. Let's make it true. Okay. So now we can check this as well. Number of backrooms, I will make it as 5. Number of backrooms became 5. So we have now the patch service available. So what we need to do now is we will not be doing it in this video. So I will be creating another video for adding that service, but just for reference I will show you what we will be doing in our next part basically. So we have this. So what we will be doing is we will be making changes here. Yeah, rather than creating a document ID from the file scope, we will be fetching what is already available, because we have the property ID available if we are editing already created property. Yeah, and we just need to add a if case to see. Yeah, and instead of calling create property, we will be adding one request call here for patch, same as which we have for user. Yeah, this one, it will be almost same. Yeah, we will be just copy pasting this whole with the patch. Yeah, so hope this was helpful for you. I will be creating a next video soon, and make sure to subscribe if possible, and so that you get notification for the next part. I don't want to explore that. Okay, and GitHub link and all those things obviously will be available in the description, so that you can have a look into that.